Hi and welcome to Holistically Podcast. Buat teman-teman yang udah pernah subscribe, pernah dengar podcast ini sebelumnya, I know that you might be confused like, Holistically Podcast? Gua nggak inget subscribe. That's because dulu podcast ini namanya Love, Health, and Wealth. Nah, sebenarnya sih konsepnya, topiknya dari Holistically Podcast ini masih sama aja. Kita bakal ngebahas everything about love, relationship as well, tapi yang lebih wholesome ya beb ya. Yang kedua, of course we will also talk about anything about health, specifically holistic health and wellness. And of course, we will also talk about how to become wealthy and live an abundant life. Karena pada ujungnya ya hidup pengen nyaman sih ya beb ya. But the difference is in this podcast, in this season, as we change the name, ada beberapa hal yang akan berubah, and one of it in the next episode you will see that we have a special co-host. Jadi nanti ada beberapa episode di mana aku nggak akan cuma ngobrol sharing it doang sendiri, tapi bakal ada satu orang special. Dan juga tentu kita masih ada episode di mana kita bakal ngundang expert lain so that we can have a more holistic and wholesome and different perspective supaya teman-teman bisa belajar lebih dalam lagi dari kacamata yang berbeda. And of course, there will still be episode where I will be sharing a short and concise information in whatever topic that I know and I believe will be beneficial for you. The next question that you might ask, apa sih artinya holistically? Yang pertama tentu holistically ini dari kata whole, wholesome, menyeluruh, yang mana itu memang umbrellanya atau payung utama dari podcast ini. Kita pengen ngebahas bahwa kalau ngomongin soal relationship, kita nggak cuma ngomongin relationship soal wanita dan pria atau apapun bentuknya. But we also want to talk about gimana hubungan kita sama orang tua, sama kakak adik, sama nenek misalnya. Itu ada hubungannya, ada impactnya sama intimate relationship atau romantic relationship kita. That is why I call it a more wholesome perspective. Kemudian dari kata holistically ini ada holy, H-O-L-Y, yang mana holy ini berarti something that is pure, something that is sacred. The reason why I want to also include kata holy ini supaya teman-teman setelah mendengarkan podcast ini, teman-teman bisa kembali lagi ke state balance, ke state purity-nya. Dan terakhir, dari kata holistically ini, ujungnya sebenarnya ada A-L-L-Y, atau sebenarnya if you say the whole thing is holistically, but it also can be said as ally, yang mana in this podcast we also want to be your ally. Kita pengen jadi temennya teman-teman di sini supaya kita bisa tumbuh bareng, belajar bareng, supaya kemudian ya udah kita bisa growing bareng, kita jadi successful bareng, lebih sehat bareng, lebih happy bareng juga. Di season ini yang kedua kita total punya 11 episode. Okay, probably not as much as the other one, but we make sure that we pick just the best one for you. Di 11 episode ini kita ngebahas tentang relationship health. We also talk about holistic health. Kita ngebahas gimana sih supaya sehat yang lebih menyeluruh itu dari berbagai disiplin ilmu, dan juga kita ngebahas tentang gimana supaya hidup lebih align sama purpose atau tujuan hidup kita. So that's a little bit of introduction dari saya. Semoga teman-teman jadi penasaran, jadi pengen denger dan nungguin episode selanjutnya that we will release each week, okay? Dan tentu aja kalau teman-teman pengen belajar lebih lanjut, pengen tahu lebih banyak, bisa komen. I usually read every comment, every question that comes to me. Dan kalau misalnya pengen juga ada ngasih feedback, you can email me. You can go to my website, ziaku.co. You can see all the information, how to reach out to me there. And also, kalau teman-teman pengen belajar lebih lanjut tentang holistic health and wellness, you can also visit my website. Whether you want to do it through my online courses atau pengen dapat guidance one-on-one, you can also get all the information di websiteku. Okay? So, are you ready to join me on this journey of holistically? I hope you're ready because next week we will present you the first episode with our special co-host. Until the next episode, I'm wishing you all the best and stay safe and healthy and have a great day, night, evening, morning, whatever you're watching it. Bye!